Hi, this is Heidi, and I'm going to try to show you how to create a Wikipedia account. So the first thing I did was I visited a website that told me how to create a Wikipedia account. And so here I am on Wikipedia going to try to follow the instructions. So up here on the right, there's a Create an Account button. And I'm going to give it a username and a password. I'm going to give it my personal email address, which may or may not be useful. And then it has to check if I'm a human. And now at the bottom, I click on Create Your Account. And let's save that here. And it says Welcome to Wikipedia, so it looks like I'm done.